Everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the music from Spotify on OBS when you're playing or live streaming or something like that. And this is easy to. Now, if you just start playing, it should be picked up under the desktop audio right here. I just have mine muted. But let's say you want to go in and separate it so you can start playing like a YouTube video and not have people hear that. But on stream, they can hear the music too. We can go to the plus icon under sources. And what we want to do is add we could do like a window capture right here. We can do application audio capture right here. So let's go to the top one, application audio capture. And then we can type in Spotify. So if you want to play YouTube, like I added Brave web browser right here. I just play YouTube videos and it's a completely separate audio. So let's go to Spotify. And then we have to search for a window here. So, all right, I've got all these YouTube pages open. Looking for Spotify. We have Spotify.exe, Spotify free. That could be in my Brave web browser too. I think this is it. So let's go ahead and select it. So just make sure you have the right one selected and go to OK. Spotify is added under my audio mixer. Let's try playing a song or something like that. I'm going to mute my speaker so it doesn't get copyrighted. Go to Tom Petty and start playing something under here. All right. See if this is working. All right, so you can see it's playing on my desktop audio. This is muted, so it won't be picked up in my stream, but the Spotify one will. So yeah, this will be separate from your desktop audio now. This will just be the Spotify application, and this is just the audio, so you are good to go having Spotify on your stream or recording sound. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next time. Your Sex Tac.